Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Abrar, and in today's video we're going to be doing a super amazing TikTok. Let's see what we're going to learn.
Yes, come to the
Yes, I'm gonna be your back. My pops used to ride in that fucking
Alright, so in the last we're going to be doing with the music again. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. And if you want to be TikTok famous, you just need to hit the subscribe button down below, because this channel will really post the trendiest TikToks that are getting viral. And now set your phone aside. With that being said, let's quickly bump into the tutorial. Alright, so as you guys know that people are struggling in this part, like in this isolation part. We're going to mainly focus on that part today, but we're going to learn the steps before this part. Let's quickly start learning. So first thing first, we're gonna hit our right elbow and then it will go up. Then we're gonna hit the wall, like this wall, alright? And this wall, you're just gonna shake your left shoulder and your right should be going straight down. Make sense? Then after doing this, as this TikTok is slow, so we're gonna hit it very slowly, like boom. Then after catching it, immediately we're gonna punch our right to our left side, then left to our left side. Making sense? So it's boom, ha ha. Cool? This will be little fast, like the punchings will be little fast. Let's try it from the hit. We go boom and boom. One, ha ha. Making sense? Now after this part will come. Let's quickly understand how to do that. So basically we gotta go step by step. Like first we gotta bend our head, then we'll take our shoulders down. That means our back will be like this, alright? Then we'll be taking out our hip, alright? So this is the step by step process that you gotta understand. Like I have seen a lot of TikTokers are doing like 1, 2, or maybe they are doing like 1, 2. If you want to look forward into the camera, you can do that too, like 1, 2, ha. Making sense? But if you want to do it like 1, 2, ha, it's just that we're looking down into this. Cool? Now let's see how to take your hip out. So the basic thing you gotta understand is, first we will be bending our head, then we'll be bending our back, like our back will be out this time. Now we will be taking out our hip a little bit. With that, our back will be coming inside. Your back will be like this. Making sense? One more time goes. Bend your head first, then body to your knees, then out hip. Alright? One more time goes. 5, 6, 7, 8. Head, body to your knees, and hip out. Alright? Last time goes. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Now while doing this, you can have locks also, like 1, 2, 3. In this, what I'm actually doing is, while I'm going there, I'm just making my body stiff so that it will lock over there, then it will go again down and lock, and then down and lock. Making sense? So it goes like 1, 2, 3. Alright? One more time. Goes 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Making sense? Now let's quickly understand how to take our hip out now. So we are in this position. Now we did this. Now what we're gonna do, we are not actually going to take our hip out. What we are actually going to do is, we'll be facing to this side, right? So if we are rotating our hips like this, it will look like our hip is coming out into the camera. But the actual thing is, we're just rounding our hips like this. If I show you by standing, it will look like only this. While doing this, your hip should be out a little bit like this. As you can see that I don't have that much big butt, so it might be not looking that much good, or maybe it is looking gross, but still, if I'm helping you guys, that is my intention. So we did ha, ha, then goes 1, 2. That is the simplest thing that you have to do it. Very simple, very easy to understand, right? And make sure while doing your hip round, you just gotta keep your hands over knees, and you can keep your right leg on our toe so that your hip should come a little more up. Like 1, 2 versus 1, 2. Making sense? So this is how you do it. Let's try it from the top till the end. Slow, medium tempo. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go hit, up, boom, slow, punch, punch. 1, 2, 3 and 4, then stand up, and in the last, suk suk. I don't know what it is called, but suk suk. Alright, one more time, little more fast, medium. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. Come to the back. Pack. Ha ha. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Then poo poo. Little more fast tempo. We go 5, 6, 7. Again. 1 and 2, 3. Ha ha. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fuk fuk. Perfect. And with that being said, you have learned the dance. Now let's try to do it with the music.
The back, yes, come to the
Yes, I'm gonna be your back. My pops used to ride in that fucking party. Yeah.